Hey everyone, so I know I look a little weird and you may not even realize why, and I'm probably the only one who actually notices it, but I don't have fake eyelashes on because I lost my eyelash glue. And it was actually really upsetting because I just finished this whole makeup look and that was like the last thing. It's like icing on the cake, cherry on top, but no. It's just this little tiny bottle, so really don't know. I'm gonna have to go to Walmart later and get some more, but oh well. So now the real reason you're watching this video is to see some amusement park hairstyles. These are some really quick and easy kind of throw together looks that you can use pretty much any time. But this is amusement park themed because, well, we want to keep the hair somewhat out of our face because chances are it's hot and you're gonna get sweaty and gross and alright, the sun just went away. Alright, that's a little better. I really hate when I have like the perfect lighting and then the sun just decides to like go away or come back and then it's either super dark or super bright and it's like... Anyway, so you're going to be sweaty, you're going to be gross, and you just want the hair out of your face. And I know it's probably going to get messed up if you're going on roller coasters, and oh my god, the sun's back. So it's probably going to get messed up if you're going on roller coasters, and you may be scared to death and just like, but at least at the beginning of the day you'll look pretty cute. And plus, these are easy to redo and fix up, and oh, why? Why does the sun keep changing? Really, Mother Nature? So these looks are really simple to redo, and if you don't want to, then you could just have messy hair all day because, well, you're at an amusement park and you don't always have to look cute. But I do think that these are stylish ways to just still stay trendy at amusement parks.
So this look is actually very simple. All you have to do is start with 3 strands and then make a French braid down the side of your head. And that's actually pretty much all you have to do. Pretty simple, right? So if you don't know how to make a French braid, you just start with a regular braid and then you add pieces of hair all the way down. And I can make a separate video on this if you would like. Please comment below if you would like me to do that. But for this, I am just showing you the half shaven look. So this is a way to look like you have shaved part of your head, but without taking the actual razor out. And then once I get to the bottom of my head, I may braid a little more or pin it back, but that's pretty much all you have to do, guys. And I have very thick hair, so I love the super easy 5-minute looks like this. And I think it looks really cute, honestly. So this next one I gave a really cool name, the dragon tail. I just think it looks really cool. So I'm starting off by just doing a Dutch braid down the middle of my head. And a Dutch braid is like a French braid, except instead of crossing over like you would with a normal braid, you cross under. So pretty much for this look, all you have to do is do a Dutch braid down the middle of your head. So I'll show you the behind from here. And this just looks really cool. I don't know why, but I'm just in love with this. It's super simple, but it looks really awesome. And I don't know, it reminds me of a dragon. Like, I feel like I could just go on freaking Skyrim right now and just soar. But yeah, so this is the look. I really love it. I added a ponytail at the bottom. But this just takes the Dutch braid and turns it into like a half up, half down look. So your hair's out of your face, but still down and cute. And here's me being weird. Sorry, guys. And just some more awkward poses. So this next look doesn't have a cool name like the dragon tail, but this braided bun look, I'm just starting off with a small strand of hair and doing a braid at the top of my head, and then doing another similar braid on the side, near like the temple area above the ear. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And it looks really weird right now, but trust me, it'll look better, I promise. My goal for all of these looks was to have your hair out of your face but still looking stylish, rather than just having a straight up ponytail, which there's nothing wrong with that, but sometimes you want a little extra, because, you know, we all gotta be a little extra sometimes. So then I'm going to take those braids along with a bunch of other hair for kind of like a half updo start, and then I'm twisting that and going around to make a bun. And then I'm just going to bobby pin it in place and we're all done. Really simple, but also really cute and takes the half up look to a whole nother level. And here's me awkwardly staring at you because I'm trying to look cute. Oh well. So this next one is the twisty fishy. I just love to say this. So I'm just taking a section of my hair and then twisting underneath until I get to the middle, and then doing the same thing on the other side. So then those pieces will join together. And let me get all the other hair out of the way, because for some reason it's not cooperating. Ever had those moments? I'm sure we all do. So then I'm going to divide that into 2 sections and then make a fishtail braid all the way down. So to slow that down for you, a fishtail braid takes 2 sections, and then you take a small strand from one section and cross it over to the other, and vice versa. So I'm just repeating this process all the way down. And I used to have a lot of problems with the fishtail braid. Like, I just couldn't, like, comprehend the concept of, what, only 2 strands? Braids are supposed to have 3 strands, right? Well, this actually looks really cute, and it's really simple once you get the hang of it. You just gotta practice a lot, like with anything. And then I'm going to tie it with a hair tie. And voila! This also kind of reminds me of like a cute beachy look too. So this would be awesome for on the beach as well as a festival, fair, or amusement park. So not gonna lie, I thought I was super clever with this braid e-bunch pun. I thought I was really cool, but honestly, it's not that funny now that I think about it, but I still enjoy it, so I'm going to leave it. Anyway, so I'm going to divide my hair into 2 sections and then divide those each into 3 sections and braid each of those 3 sections, so then you end up with 6 braids and look kind of wonky, but then you braid those braids together and then you get these more complex, cute braided pigtails. Not pigtails, I can't speak. So this is just really fun, easy, and fast. Oh, and cute. Never forget cute.
Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you found it to be super helpful, and if you recreate any of these looks, please be sure to post them on Instagram and tag me. You will see my social media links down below, and be sure to give this a thumbs up, comment below, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!